Hello everyone. In today's Python tutorial, we are going to learn about variables. So what is a variable? A variable is like a box where we can store information. Instead of writing the actual value again and again, we can save it inside a variable and use it whenever we need. For example, let's say I want to store my name. I can create a variable called name and write name equals John. Print.name. Here, the variable name is storing the text John, and when I print it, Python shows John on the screen. Because we are printing the name, and name is equal to John. Remember, John is a name, and all names are strings, and we use speech marks with the strings. Now let's try with a number. Suppose I want to store my age. Age equals 12. Print age. This will print the number 12, as 12 is an integer, and with integers we don't use speech marks. But what if we use speech marks with a number? Will it work? Let's try. Yes, it works, but it works as a string. But how do we know if it is a string or an integer? Let's try something like print 12 plus 12. The answer should be 24, but as we have put the quotation marks here, it's working as a string. So to make it work like an integer, you have to remove speech marks, and it will give you the actual answer, which is 24. So make sure not to use speech marks with the integers. We can also store decimal numbers called floats. For example, height equals 4.9. Print item. This will print 4.9. And of course, we can store booleans too. Izimude student equals true. Print is underscore student. This will print true. So this was all about printing single variables. But what if you want to print a long paragraph or a sentence containing variables? We will learn in the next video that how to print a variable in a sentence or a paragraph. See you soon and keep practicing variables.